Hi, this will be a presentation on the implementation of electronic health records. The purpose of this presentation is to show how the use of Merlin for Mac OS X can be used to determine how a project is progressing over time. A manager can use this tool to see visually whether or not a project will be completed before schedule, on time, or too late. 6 major tasks and timeframes have been identified when implementing an electronic health record system. The first, patient information management, takes a projected 41 days, followed by clinical information systems, laboratory, pharmacy, radiology, imaging, and nutrition and food. Some of these tasks will take place at the same time, while others will need to be completed first before it can proceed. The days that are shown here are for the full time required to implement each of the tasks. This graph reveals the subtasks that are assigned to each task that was previously discussed. Each subtask can take place before, at the same time, or after the others within each category. Using Merlin helps to visually see how these subtasks take place in time. This graph shows the remaining subtasks. Let's look at an example. For the laboratory, implementation requires the configuration of the patient management information system first. Data shows that PIM will be completed by February 11th, 2010. Hence, the first subtask, which is chemistry, that has to be completed before microbiology and anatomic pathology must begin on February 12th. Microbiology can't begin until after chemistry, hence it must wait until February 25th to begin, and anatomic pathology must wait until March 12th before it can begin. This is an example of the Gantt chart that can be created using Merlin. Although it is difficult to see, it lists all of the categories and subtasks and visually represents the time when they will begin and when they will end. The following charts demonstrate the actual start and end dates of each of the subtasks and tasks. Overall, it took 339 days to implement this project. In conclusion, using a tool like this helps managers visualize their projects. They can determine whether or not they are following the schedule that they have planned, and they can easily make changes to the timeline in Merlin that are a result of unforeseen events.